Honestly, guys, you see this thing called friendship, right? Friendship is really something to be appreciated. When you have that friend, when we say in good times and in bad times, that person is with you. That person is by your side. Honestly, kneel down right now and wave hands of glory to God. What you know? Yes, because the kind of friendship that we normally have these days, man, are the friendship where we say only in good times they will be at your back, by your side, right? Only when you are smiling, when you are laughing, they will be with you. But at the time of your grievance, man, the time in which you dey vex, they will never be with you. They will never stand by you. They will never give you like try to make you to roll up, man. Like it doesn't make sense, man. What do you think? Now relax, man. The purpose of this video is to encourage what friendship. You get me? Because man. You get me? That's not any. No be what they do these days, man. The one Savage really made a statement about his snacking tape wey leak online. Though she has been able to pay a hacker that made sure that everything has been wiped out, bone at S videos, right? In your different phones or the internet. I don't know how she did that or how the hacker did that, man. But she claims that has been done. Now, relax, man. Let's snap. To Savage, when my knacking tape went viral on social media and a lot of people were talking about it, I thought my colleagues, who are also celebrities, will stand by me, but none of them did so. None of them made a post to support me in that difficult situation, in that difficult time. Since then, I don't support people anymore because when I needed the support the most, none of the people I once supported turned up for me. But thank God the video has been, widely deleted from all social media platforms and all devices. Have you heard this now? Tiwa Savage revealed that when her knacking tape was released, she thought her colleagues, who she formerly helped, will stand with her, but she was shocked that none of them stood by her. She also revealed that the video has been wiped out from all social media platforms, right? From your phones, okay? Truth be told, people only support you when they know it is beneficial to them. Of course, they now support you when they know it is what beneficial to them. When they see that they can't gain anything from you, they stop supporting you. They desert you. Does it make sense? Would you call that friendship? No. You should call that friend with what benefits and not really friendship, man. You get me? Choose your circle of friends wisely, guys. So why is now trying to what advise you people, man? Choose your circle of friends so wisely. Don't choose that friend wey be say when it is beneficial to him or her, that is when you guys are friends. Okay? But when the going is now going wrong, man, you guys are no more friends, man. It doesn't make sense, guys. You get me? Try to what? Learn from what? Towards mistake. Say she been dey help some of the what? Celebrities in Nigeria. You get me? But now, during her own hard times, bad times, man, all of them deserted her. None of them made a video to support her. They made no supportive video, man, which doesn't make sense, guys. No, just tell me. If na you, e no go pay you, e no go vex you. No, just tell me, man. So, guys, I appreciate that friends where we say, in my good times, you are with me, right? In my bad times, you are also with me. That is why this song of the 80s, sung by Donny Warwick, Elton John, Gladys Knight, and the Stevie Wonder, the one that goes this way. Um, in good times, and bad times, I'll be by your side forevermore. Oh, that's what friends are for. That is in good times, in bad times, I'll be by your side forevermore. That is what friends are for. Friends are not only when the going is going right, man. It doesn't make sense, man. Check your circle right now, okay? If you get that friend, what be said, only in your good times, the person is with you. The person is rejoicing with you, right? Please make sure you delete that person from your circle, right? Especially if you're in charge of that circle, man. Or if you're not in charge, pull from that circle. You get me? From your own circle, where we say you there in charge. And you have to what? Have one tenet, man. Have one dogma. You get me? Have one doctrine where we say we will be by you in your good times and also in your bad times, man. And you will see everybody will be ready. See, friendship, is doings. Friendship, just like one, we said that one name, just like friendship, man. What you mean? We they do friends normally. Friendship, no be just just say we are friends. No, you do me, I do you. You understand me? The very simple thing, guys. Learn from Tiwa right now. I rest my case.